Have you ever wondered how we read books, write messages, or speak English? Everything starts with the English alphabet. When we learn letters, we can make words. When we learn words, we can make sentences. And slowly, we start communicating in English confidently. So today we are starting the very first step of English communication together. And remember, don't just watch the video. Speak with me, repeat after me, and answer the questions. Ready? Before we begin, let's see what we are going to learn in today's lesson. We will learn what the English alphabet is, letters, capital letters, small letters, vowels, consonants, difference between vowels and consonants, words, sentences. By the end of this lesson, you will understand English alphabet, so let's start learning together. Now let's understand the English alphabet. The English alphabet has 26 letters. These letters are used to read and write English. The alphabet starts from A and ends at Z, and letters are the foundation of the English language. Now let's read the alphabet order together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Excellent. Now it's your turn. Can you read A to Z by yourself? Now let's learn about letters. Letters are the smallest units of English. Letters help us make words, and English has capital and small letters. Look at these examples: A, B, C, D, E, and A, B, C, D, E. Also, K is a letter. M is a letter. Interesting, right? Can you tell me one letter you know? Now let's learn capital letters. Capital letters are also called uppercase letters. They are the bigger form of letters. We use capital letters at the beginning of sentences and for names of people and places. For example, A, B, C, D, E. Now I want you to repeat these capital letters with me loudly. Now let's learn small letters. Small letters are also called lowercase letters. They are the smaller form of letters, and we mostly use them in normal writing. Look carefully. A, B, C, D, E. Now repeat after me slowly. A, B, C, D, E. Very good. Now let's learn vowels. Vowels are special letters in English. There are total 5 vowels. They are A, E, I, O, U. And in small letters, A, E, I, O, U. Most English words contain vowels. Now repeat the vowels with me. A, E, I, O, U. Now let's learn consonants. All letters except vowels are consonants. English has total 21 consonants. Some examples are B, C, D, F, G. Now let's think together. If A is a vowel, then is B a vowel or a consonant? Now let's compare vowels and consonants. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. The remaining 21 letters are consonants. Vowels make open sounds. Consonants make blocked sounds. Let's look at the word cat. A is a vowel. C and T are consonants. Now your turn. Can you find the vowel in the word book? Now let's learn words. A word is made by joining letters, and words have meaning. Look at these examples. Cat, book, apple. Now let's break one word. C plus A plus T equals cat. See? Letters join together to make words. Now can you spell the word apple with me? Now let's move to sentences. A sentence is a group of words. A sentence gives complete meaning. A sentence starts with a capital letter, and a sentence ends with punctuation marks. Look at these examples. I am happy. Where are you? Words join together to make sentences. Now can you try making one small sentence by yourself? Excellent work, everyone! Today we learned English alphabets, letters, capital and small letters, vowels and consonants, words, sentences. And this is the beginning of your English communication journey. Keep practicing every day. Speak more, read more, learn more. Thank you for learning with me. See you in the next lesson.